Man, I love this time of year. The weather's gorgeous, it's perfect outside. The bugs are minimal, the temperatures are mild, and it's just a great time to be outdoors. And hey, if you use any gas-powered tools for camping, boating, yard work, outdoorsing of any sort, or heck, even if you drive a car, well, I think I might have a cool tool for you to check out, and it just came in. Let's go check it out. Really excited to see this thing in action because I have lots of equipment that needs gas. And sometimes I just like having a little bit of reserve, but man, I hate dealing with gas cans. And this thing is on wheels, it's portable, and it has its own pump, so I think this might be a game changer. Holy crap, it's big. I really wasn't sure what to expect, but I mean, it feels pretty solid, really thick. Nothing is deflecting or bending in. And here is all the accoutrements. Looks like we got a ratchet strap and then the actual pump arm. So, and it looks like it has some nice brass fittings with valves, so it can shut the flow off and whatnot. But yeah, I say we assemble this thing and see how it works. Okay, that's done. And I think this just chills on this. And I love the idea of it being on wheels. No more having to deadlift those heavy 5-gallon cans when they're full of gas. Just wheel it, and honestly, you can just kind of leave it. Use it as is. Let's go fill it up. Before I became a tax-paying adult, a gas can would have never really interested me. But now that I have a decent amount of power equipment and live in an area where you can go almost 100 miles plus without gas services, fuel is definitely a larger consideration. Garvee was kind enough to send me over their CP15, which is a portable 15-gallon gravity dispensing can. And I'm constantly running out of fuel, so it's really nice to have one unit that's a decent size capacity and has a simple dispensing system. If you've ever tried to pour a full 5-gallon can of gas into something like a lawnmower or other piece of equipment, then you know, heck, you expect to have fuel pour everywhere. So something like this should make things a little bit easier and cleaner, and with the price of gas, heck, every drop counts. Well, with the prices of gas, that fill up hurt a little bit, but I'm excited to have gas on hand, easily dispensable, because like I said, I got a few things I gotta get worked on. So on the way home, let's put this thing to use. No leaky. I don't think I've ever featured this beautiful specimen on my channel, but I actually picked this up for free. I had to completely disassemble it. It's seen a few things, but free is free, and hey, it works. So let's go get our power washer. So now we can finally start filling up some of our equipment. So if we come over here, we can open up the valves here and here, let the gas flow. And then we'll crack the vent up here. You can hear that. It's a gravity-based system, so got to make sure that the can is higher than whatever you're filling. So come down here to the tank, open, and then in she goes. Good here, shut these valves off, close the vent. Let's try this thing out. I should check oil. Houston, we have oil. And this is long overdue, but we're gonna clean my wife's car because it's a little crusty. Heck, you can even fill up your car. I wanted to say thanks to Garvee for sending me out this portable gas tank. If you'd like one for yourself, I'll drop a link below to where you can get your own. As someone who has loaded around those bulky gas cans, having something like this on wheels that's compact, portable, and easy dispensing is just a no-brainer. The cool thing is its versatility. Spring and summer is prime lawn care time. So what a nice convenient way to fill up your lawnmower, maybe your power washer, what have you, without having to struggle with trying to lift a heavy gas tank and trying to neatly pour it. Maybe you're a boater or a jet skier. What a simple way to not have to try and fill up over the side of the boat when you can just roll your tank up and pump away. Or what if you're just into being in the outdoors? Don't let your toys or generators run out of gas. Stow it and use it when you need it. Heck, even if you like to road trip and have one of those cargo carriers that mount into your hitch, you've just increased your distance by 15 gallons without having to worry about when the next pump station will be. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.